Could you state your name
Brenda Potter,
and where you're from?
Princeville.
And what brought you here first to see our regenerative medicine department?
Well, you've been taking care of me for years as far as my back, and the hip was starting to give me issues, and I did not want to do an actual hip replacement, so I was interested in checking this out. And of course, I was a candidate, and I'm so very happy that I did it.
And what did she do with you exactly?
It's a stem cell injection.
Okay, so you did stem cell on your, was it your right or left hip?
Right hip.
And prior to the injection, what were you feeling like?
Well, I'm pretty active, so I couldn't do a lot of the things that I was used to doing. Up and down steps was hard to do. I had no flexibility as far as opening the hip up. Now I do. I'm going up and down steps. I have no pain at night because it was keeping me up. So just overall, great.
And what did you do prior to the injections? Were you doing anything or no?
No,
Were you doing
no.
medicines, steroids?
No,
Okay.
no.
Okay, but it was just hurting you quite a bit. And
Yes.
Okay. And it's noticeably different today?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah, I would recommend it for anyone that's a candidate. No downtime, no physical therapy, it's just been wonderful.
And how long was it before you noticed pain relief?
It really was close to the 12, 14 weeks that my pain was completely gone.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you. I'm glad you're doing so well.
You're welcome. Thank you.